real?
Oh my god.
Do you hear those kids?
Oh my god. I want to stay here forever. Oh my god. I want to stay here.
You're getting your socks.
Look, they look like little snowflakes.
I know.
Oh, this is just great. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. This is real. Stop dreaming. Stop dreaming. This is not real. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I'll breathe. It's so crazy. So crazy. Because someone puts the various in the size of my mouth. You know what? This is 100%. Yeah. This is history. This is history. Okay. Look at it glowing to the screen. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's even worse! Better! What? It's even better! It's not gonna get better. It gets better. What if snow closes and how do I get them? Quickly. Look! I'm putting the tree on it. It's like Christmas! Oh my god, if you can see this in the background. Oh my god, if you can put the tree up. You're the real OGs. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's like Christmas. Oh my god. I just want to go lay in it, but I don't want I'll get all wet. Where's snow clothes? It's the coming through up there, look. It's going coming through for hours. I'm scared. We're never gonna get this again. I need to get this. Oh my god. This is real right now. This is crazy. I'm so glad that I'm just here. I feel bad for people that die this long when they get this and this. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's snowing. Let it go. Started crying again on accident. What? I started crying again on accident, but there's no time. Because what if the people that just died recently, they didn't get to see this? Oh my god, look outside, it's a blizzard! No. Did you see the blizzard? I see it out here. Oh my god, it's almost invisibility, or how you say that? Where you can't see? Zero visibility. Where's the snow boots? Help! Sorry about the blizzard. Oh, we're going out there, okay? Yeah, the blizzard's out here. I don't know what. Worse out here. Because there's a screen out here. Oh my god, it's like a blanket now. It's like a blanket. Oh my god. I cannot believe this right now. We can't even see our grass out here.
I know. This might be some people's storm. God, it's getting better. If you didn't even think of that, the visibility is almost not anxiety.